Doing tacos. I'm not doing them. Someone else is. Anyway, guys, welcome back to OGEs.
Cooking with big homie Naomi.
Big homie Naomi. You want to be on camera?
No.
Okay.
Not yet.
Big homie Naomi showing us how she does the tacos. You know how to do them differently. Ooh yeah, cut those tomatoes. Yeah, ooh. And there you go, white boy tacos. White boy tacos, nice and easy, freaking delicious. Well, hang on, let me try it. Yup, pretty dank. Pretty dankity dank. Yup, pretty dank tacos. For White Boy Friday. White Girl Friday, whatever. Not the way I would do it, but pretty damn good. Pretty filling. Yeah. And that's how it's done, guys. Just want to bring you a little footage of the herb garden where I live. I don't know what's what, but we got a lot out here. Obviously, that's parsley. Whatever that says. Gonna focus. Lettuce butter crunch. Sweet California. Wonder pepper. Is what it says down there. Got a couple on there. Got this kitty right here. Scaring him off. It's Garfield. Garfield. Anyway. What's this? Anybody know? Please leave a comment. That's a kohlrabi winner. Same as this, I think. And we got this. Got these. Cilantro, maybe. I don't know. Look at all these. I pick from that basil plant all the time. I like some basil. You know what I mean? Got the garden back here. Check out the side view. Yeah. Check it out. I saw some deer down there earlier. 2 of them. 2 little Bambis right behind this tree. Or a good 20 feet behind it. The next tree line up back there. And then whatever that is. Alright, guys. Thanks for checking in with what I'm doing today. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment. Share with the world all that cringy YouTube crap. And I will see you guys next time. Have a good weekend. Love you guys. Peace.